Hey, what's good YouTube world? Prashil here, and today I'm super excited to be doing the unboxing of the iPhone 15 Pro. Alright, so let's get straight into it. Real fancy packaging from Apple. Alright, so it's worth noting that I actually picked up the iPhone 15 Pro in the blue titanium color as opposed to the natural titanium gray color that everyone's been raving on about. But yeah, let's open it up. And there you have it, the iPhone 15 Pro in this really nice, really subtle blue titanium color. Now, the first thing I just want to say is that this phone actually feels much lighter than the iPhone 14 Pro that I've got over here. Yeah, I gotta say that the titanium bezels definitely do make a difference. I was a little bit skeptical at first, but yeah, the titanium versus the stainless steel definitely makes a huge difference in terms of weight. This phone really does feel like a standard iPhone 14 that you picked up last year with the aluminum bezels as opposed to the iPhone 14 Pro with the stainless steel bezels. And now, speaking of bezels, I will say that the matte finish on the iPhone 15 Pro's bezel is definitely a nice touch by Apple. It definitely means it'll attract a lot less fingerprints than the gloss finish of the stainless steel bezel on the iPhone 14 Pro. Now, color-wise, I think I'm going to have to give it to the iPhone 14 Pro on this one. I mean, the 15 Pro's blue titanium color is pretty nice, but honestly, I think it's just a little bit too subtle. And this deep purple color on the iPhone 14 Pro just looks so damn good. Alright, so setting the 14 Pro down, let's boot up the 15 Pro. You've got the Apple logo here. And there you go. Alright, so looking at the remainder of the contents of the box, you get this nice little folder here. And you've got your SIM ejector tool, as well as a few little warranty papers as well, and other stuff that no one really cares about. And you just get the one Apple sticker, which is honestly kind of sad because they used to give a lot more back in the day, but yeah, you just get one Apple sticker here. But it is what it is. And setting this aside, you get what everyone's been dying about, which is your Type-C to C cable, which is actually braided. I'm kind of disappointed that this isn't actually color-coded to the blue titanium color on the 15 Pro. But yeah, it would have been nicer if it was color-coded, just like you got on the M2 MacBook Airs. But yeah, who would have thought we'd actually see the day where Apple got rid of the lightning port and the lightning cable from their iPhone lineup. But yeah, today's that day, and honestly, it's a good day because I have a bunch of Type-C to C cables. So yeah, even if I lose this one, I'll always have one spare, and I won't have to spend a bunch of money buying another one. So yeah, thank you to the EU laws for that one, because it was honestly about time Apple changed it up. So what are my first impressions of the iPhone 15 Pro? Well, right out the box, the first thing I noticed was the weight difference. I think that really does account for a lot here. The titanium bezels really do make up that difference. And I really like the matte finish on these bezels as well. It just means it's less of a fingerprint magnet than its predecessor, which is always nice. But yeah, other than that, I will say that the actual edges here are a lot softer than on the 14 Pro, which does make it feel a little bit nicer to hold in the hand, because the edges here just aren't as harsh and hard as the 14 Pro. But yeah, other than that, I don't really notice much of a difference between the 15 Pro and 14 Pro at first glance. And yeah, I'm definitely going to have to do a lot more testing on the 15 Pro to see what the actual differences are between the 15 and the 14 Pro. So stay tuned for that. Like this video if you enjoyed it. Subscribe for more content. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.